Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the furniture album on the Pocket Lab Qt Livestream application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. But the graphic design is so cute. And new, go to the 3 lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the flyer icon under the camera. And if you go to the bedroom button, you can find your furniture, for example, plants and drawer and bed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.